19th one, show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, square has the maximum area. So, of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, that means given fixed circle means that circle is given. So, radius of the circle is a constant. So, given circle, one circle is given, and the question is, of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, of all the rectangles, suppose a rectangle is inscribed in the circle, a rectangle. So this is the rectangle inscribed in the circle. We have to prove that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle. So when a rectangle is inscribed in a circle, the rectangle, it has maximum area when it is a square. So of all the rectangles, square has the maximum area. That means the area of this rectangle inscribed in the circle has maximum area when it is a square. That means when a rectangle becomes a square when length is equal to breadth. So we have to prove that area of this rectangle is maximum when length equal to breadth. That is what we want to prove. So suppose this is a rectangle inscribed in the circle. So we can denote the length of the rectangle be x, length of the rectangle x, breadth of the rectangle y. And we know when a rectangle is inscribed in a circle, that diagonal of the rectangle will be the diameter of the circle. So suppose the r be the radius of the circle. Let r be radius of circle, and given it is given rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle means circle is given, and radius of the circle will be a constant, that you have to remember. So r radius of the circle is a constant. So r is the radius, therefore diagonal of the rectangle, that is diameter of the circle, that is equal to 2 into r. This is radius, so 2r is the diameter of the circle, and diagonal of the rectangle, both are same. Now we know rectangle means each angle is 90 degree, therefore we can consider a right triangle. So in this right triangle, x square plus y square equal to 2r whole square. X square plus y square equal to 2r whole square, that is 4r square. So x square plus y square. So we are taking length and breadth are x, y. Length of the rectangle x, breadth equal to y. We are taking length and breadth x and y. Now x square plus y square equal to 4r square. This is the relation between x and y. And now what we have to prove? We have to prove that area of this rectangle is maximum when it is a square. So of all the rectangles, square has the maximum area. That means we prove that area of this rectangle inscribed in the circle has maximum area when x equal to y, length equal to breadth. So we have to consider the function which is to be maximum. Area should be maximum. Area of what? Area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle we can take as a function of area of rectangle. We can take as A equal to, we know area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth, x into y. So area of the rectangle equal to x into y. That is the function to be maximum. Area of the rectangle should be maximum. So here there are two variables, x and y. So we have to eliminate one variable. I told you always which function is to be maximum or minimum. That should be a function of only one variable. Using the given conditions or the known things, we have to write as a function of only one variable. So here the x and y both are variables, length and breadth of the rectangle, but 2r, r is a constant, that is given constant, given radius. The circle is in a given fixed circle. That means circle is given means radius of the circle is a constant. So we have to write y in terms of x, y as a function of x. So y square equal to 4r square. So y square equal to 4r square minus x square. Therefore y equal to root of 4r square minus x square. Here we know x, y, 2r, all are distance, length. Therefore it is positive. So only take positive square root. So y equal to root of 4r square minus x square. So area A equal to x into root of 4r square minus x square. So we got area as a function of only one variable x. Remember that r is a constant. When you differentiate, consider r as a constant. So it is area as a function of one variable. Now what we have to do? Now same process. That means first we have to find the first derivative equal to 0, find x, then find the second derivative, substitute in second derivative, show that it is maximum or minimum. So first we find the first derivative, a dash x equal to, it is area is a function of x, a of x. So we are differentiating with respect to that variable x. So a dash x equal to, remember that r is a constant. So here we have to apply product rule, first function into derivative of second, derivative root x 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root of 4r square minus x square into derivative of 4r square minus x square, that is minus 2x. Minus 2x. So first function into derivative of second, 1 by 2 root of 4r square minus x square into derivative of 4r square minus x square minus 2x. 4r square is a constant, derivative 0. Now plus second function into root of 4r square minus x square into derivative of x, that is 1. So that is derivative over this 2 we can cancel. So here we get minus x square by root of 4r square minus x square plus root of 4r square minus x square. Now we have to simplify, find LCM, then we get so we can here we can find the LCM, that is minus x square. Then this root of 4r square, multiply this, we get plus 4r square minus x square. 4r square minus x square whole divided by root of 4r square minus x square. Root of 4r square minus x square. So we here we got minus x square plus 4r square minus cross multiplying, we get 4r square. So we get equal to 4r square minus 2x square. 4r square minus 2x square. So that is a derivative, 4r divided by root of 4r square minus x square. So we got this one. Here we can take 2 common. So 2 into 2r square minus x square divided by root of 4r square minus x square. So we got 2 into 2r square minus x square divided by root of 4r square minus x square. So this is the first derivative. Now see here, this is it is difficult to find the second derivative from this. Quotient rule we have to apply and all root and all. So first derivative test will be more easy in this case. So we can, whenever we need, we can apply first derivative test also. So we are going to apply the first derivative test. So first we write. So we got this first derivative we got. This is a dash x. A dash x. Now first we have to find the value of x. A dash x equal to 0 implies. A dash x equal to 0 implies. So here this is equal to 0. 2 into 2r square minus x square by root of 4r square minus x square equal to 0. So this equal to 0 means we know this x will be x is always less than 2r. This is the diagonal. So that will x will be less than 2r. Now here, so this is a positive number. So this is equal to 0 means numerator equal to 0. Therefore 2r square minus x square equal to 0. Therefore x square equal to 2r square. Therefore x equal to root 2r. So we got x equal to root 2r. Now we have to show that it is maximum. When x equal to root 2r, area of the rectangle is maximum. We want to prove that the area of the rectangle is maximum when it is a square. That means when x equal to y, the area of the rectangle is maximum. So we have to show that at this value of x, area of the rectangle is maximum. So now we are going to apply the first derivative test. What is first derivative test? See here. Suppose it is functions like this. So at x equal to c, function is minimum. If when x is less than c, f dash x is negative. See here. Decreasing means f dash x negative. less than 0. Increasing means f dash x, first derivative greater than 0. So here we have to prove that it is maximum. Maximum means this case. So at x equal to c, the function is maximum means when x is less than c, it should be positive. That means first derivative positive, and here first derivative is negative. So when x is less than c, f dash x positive. When x is greater than c, f dash x negative. So if in that case, the c is the point of maxima. That is the first derivative test. So here we have to prove that this is when x equal to root 2r, the function is maximum. Function means area. Area is maximum when x equal to root 2r. For that, we have to consider, see here instead of c, here it is root 2r. So we have to see when x less than root 2r, when x less than root 2r. So before x equal to c, f dash x is positive or negative. See, this is f dash x. That means a dash x, derivative. See here in the derivative, denominator is always a positive number because x less than 2r, and this will be a positive number, at positive. And 2 is also positive number. So only we have to see 2r square minus x square is positive or negative, greater than 0 or less than 0. So when x is less than root 2r, that means we can write x square less than 2r square. That means 2r square minus x square, 2x square take this side, greater than 0. So 2r square minus x square greater than 0 means, see 2r square minus x square greater than 0 means a dash x greater than 0. Therefore a dash x greater than 0. So when x less than that number, x less than root 2r, f dash x is positive. And when x greater than 2r, same thing we can write. When x greater than root 2r, we can write x square greater than 2r square. Therefore 2r square minus x square, take x square this side, less than 0. 2r square minus x square. So this is less than 0. That means this whole quantity less than 0. So that means a dash x, when that is a dash x less than 0. So after the point x equal to c, f dash x negative, less than 0. Before the point c, f dash x positive, So x less than, see instead of c, the number is root 2r. X less than root 2r, f dash x positive. When x greater than c, negative. So same thing we got, x less than root 2r, a dash x positive. When x greater than root 2r, a dash x negative. So that means f dash x changes sign from, that means a dash x. Therefore we can write a dash x changes sign from positive to negative. When x increases through root 2r. So we can write where therefore when x equal to root 2r, area is maximum. Therefore then what is y? Y equal to root of 4r square minus x square. That is equal to root of 4r square minus, we got x equal to root 2r. So x square means 2r square. That is equal to root of 2r square. That is root 2r. So we got y also root 2r. So x and y both are equal to root 2r. So when the area is maximum, area of the rectangle is maximum, so we can write when therefore area of rectangle is maximum when x equal to y equal to root 2r. That is it is a square. So that means area of the rectangle is maximum when x equal to y equal to root 2r. X equal to y means it is a square. Okay.